Good evening everyone. Today we are discuss about plus 1 chemistry volume 2 solution lesson page number 41 vapor pressure of liquid. Vapor pressure of liquid. Let us consider first one evaporation. Second one condensation. Third one vapor pressure. First one evaporation, second one condensation, third one vapor pressure. Next we discuss about one by one. First one evaporation. Generally liquid state substance liquid state become changed into gaseous state. Liquid state become changed into gaseous state. In this process is known as evaporation process. This process is known as evaporation process. That is liquid become changed into gases process become evaporation process. There are two kinds of possibilities First, number one, evaporation. Second one, boiling. Liquid to gas. First one evaporation, second one boiling. Evaporation process when the intermolecular forces kinetic energy when a molecule escaped from the liquid state. When molecule escaped from the liquid state. In this process is known as evaporation process. Okay. Next one, condensation. Liquids become changed to gases. There are two kinds of possible. First one evaporation, second one boiling. In evaporation is a surface phenomenon. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon. Let us consider some molecules, liquid state molecule at over the surface. Liquid become changed to gaseous state at room temperature. In this process is known as that is a evaporation process. Next, boiling. So boiling is nothing but at external temperatures. External temperature, liquid become changed to that is a boiling. That is gaseous state. Liquid become changed to gaseous state. External temperatures. In this process is known as that is boiling. Next one, condensation. Condensation. In this condensation process, evaporation. This is the surface phenomena of the evaporation. The process become closed state. That is closed vessel. The process become a closed vessel. Closed vessels, the surface molecules become gases. Surface molecules become a liquid become changed into gases. Some of the gaseous molecules attain container of the wall. Container of the walls. In this process, gas become changed to liquid. Gas become changed to liquid. In this process is known as condensation process. This process is known as a condensation process. So condensation process is a closed vessel. Condensation process is a closed vessel. Okay. Next, vapor pressure of binary solution liquid in liquid. Vapor pressure of binary solution in liquid. Okay. Let us consider two components A and B. So one of the component is a solute, another one of the compound is a solvent. One of the compound is a solute, another one of the compound is a solvent at equilibrium state. At a equilibrium state. Okay, let us consider. Okay, the two component A and B. A component and B component. A component and B component. Suppose a solution contains volatiles and non-volatiles. Volatile solution and non-volatile solution. What are the definition of volatile solution? A volatile solution, high vapor pressure. High vapor pressure is known as volatile solution. Volatiles. Example, petrol, volatiles. Ether, volatiles. Next, low vapor pressure, non-volatiles. Non-volatile solution. Example, benzene, phenol, etc. So, volatiles is nothing but easily evaporating substance. Easily evaporating substance. To attain the room temperature, liquid become changed into gases. Liquid become changed into gases. Suppose volatile compound, ether, at a high vapor pressure. Non-volatile compound like benzene, C6H6. C6H6 benzene. It's a non-volatile compound. It's a low vapor pressure. Okay. Next, Raoult's law. Raoult's law. What are the definition of Raoult's law? What are the definition of Raoult's law? Suppose a solution become volatile compound. A solution become a volatile compound. A volatile compound is partial vapor pressure component A and B. Partial vapor pressure component A and B is directly proportional to mole fraction. It's directly proportional to mole fraction. It is stated at partial pressure of compound A is directly proportional to mole fraction of compound A. Partial pressure of compound A is directly proportional to mole fraction of compound A. It can be represented, that is PA, that is equal to A, net constant, mole fraction of A, XA, mole fraction of XA. Suppose XA, mole fraction, that is 1, net constant, P naught A, that is pure component of A group. That is a pure component of A. So, therefore, partial pressure of A compound, that is equal to P naught A, mole fraction of A. This is equation 1. Equation 1. Next, partial pressure of B compound, that is equal to P naught B, mole fraction of B. That is equation 2. Equation 2. Next, according to Dalton methods, total pressure, Dalton theory, pressure of total. So, pressure of total, that is equal to partial pressure of A plus partial pressure of, that is B. Pressure total, that is equal to partial pressure of A from equation 1, P naught A X A plus P naught B X B, where XA and XB, mole fraction of component A and B, mole fraction of compound A and B. We know that XA plus XB, that is equal to 1. Mole fraction of compound A, that is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of compound B. Substitute this one. Pressure of total, that is equal to P naught A, P naught A, 1 minus mole fraction of compound B plus P naught B X B. So, pressure of total, that is equal to P naught A plus X B P naught B minus P naught A. This is the final. To compare in this equation, straight line formula. So, straight line formula y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Pressure of total y axis, that is equal to mole fraction mole fraction x next m plus c. So, y equal to mx plus c equal. Next, go to graphical method. It compare the graphical methods, graphical, solute and solvent. We have take the two liquids like benzene and toluene. Benzene and toluene. So toluene is a solute, benzene is a solvent. Graphical method. Okay. Next, go to vapor pressure of toluene, vapor pressure of benzene. So generally, vapor pressure pure component when increases and also mole fraction become increases. Mole fraction become increases. Let us consider first one, vapor pressure of benzene. So vapor pressure of benzene component A from 0. When the vapor pressure become increases and also mole fraction. Mole fraction become increases from 0. 74.7. 74.7. This is vapor pressure of benzene. Vapor pressure of benzene. When the vapor pressure of benzene, vapor pressure the straight line increases and also mole fraction become increases from 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1.0. First number 1. Next, let us consider toluene. Let us consider toluene. When a toluene from 0 to 1. Toluene 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, first 0 mole fraction. Mole fraction increases. Mole fraction increases. So mole fraction increases automatically, vapor pressure become increases. So 23.2. 23.2. In average, vapor pressure of toluene and benzene. That is average. So pressure of total. Average. Pressure of total. Finally, we are conclude pressure solution. That is equal to P naught toluene plus mole fraction of benzene. P naught benzene minus P naught toluene. P naught toluene. So vapor pressure become increases with increase mole fraction. Vapor pressure become increases with increase mole fraction. So straight line. So straight line formula. So y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Okay.